Hey, hi friends, welcome to my video. So friends, if you like my videos, then please do subscribe my channel, like and share our videos. Thank you. So friends, once again welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the a beautiful kitchen interior designs with a beautiful cabinet, because it is said that the kitchen is the heart of the home, or a center is whether it is a small or a large size of kitchen, because this is where the women spend the maximum time while cooking the food, and it is also a place where there is more interaction and discussions, whether it is be holiday, birthday interacts and cooking are some aspects that take place in the kitchen. A perfect kitchen interior design will have a positive impact on the lives of all family members. The kitchen is modern and ideal for today's lifestyle. Today they make the kitchen more similar importance to other rooms in the house. The initiatives taken in the design of the kitchen area of a careful manner, so that there is a dining area is also in the kitchen. So when you're planning to make the kitchen, so there are some crucial points to be considered before you plan to design any kitchen, like planning for the size of kitchen, good size kitchen productivity, and one of the main designers are looking at the aspect of the kitchen. Important to be focused around the kitchen is that the resale for any home depends mainly on the kitchen, thus an interior designer. If your kitchen looks the beautiful, this will make the grab buyers without a second thought. There you can see there are the lots of designs are available with the price. In the starting I have mentioned the price of all kitchen, and remaining if you have any queries you can contact through my mail ID. So when you're planning to design your kitchen, first you decide how much can you spend, because budget is most important part of kitchen designing. So first you decide that what is the budget for your kitchen. According to that you can manage for the materials, for the cabinets, for granite, countertops. Second important part is a cabinet for your kitchen, or you can consider the size of your kitchen also. First you take the size, how much space is available in the kitchen, where you want to put your electronics items, cabinets. As per the size you can decide the space, the shapes of the kitchen like L shape, U shape, or a single. So it depend upon the space availability in your kitchen. As per the layouts, the price goes on increasing. Another important point, the most and important point is the cabinets of the kitchen. There you can see there are the lots of designs of cabinets are available in this video. This video will help you to select the best cabinet designs for your house. There you can see the different layout of designs available in this video. There you can see different color combination of cabinets. So when you're selecting the cabinet, select the best material for your cabinets. So it's because for a lifelong